Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of mighty Allah. Welcome to my new channel. Today I will make you learn how to give a good presentation in front of audience by confidently. So let's start. First of all, preparation is very important. If we prepare very well, our fear will reduce automatically. Secondly, confidence matter. We have to stand straight, smile and speak clearly. And finally, connect with your audience. Ask question and give examples simple. Then start your speaking confidently. So thank you very much for listening my presentation topic. Thank you very much. If you like my video, like, subscribe and comment please. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.